Coffee. Dr. Remix GS. Hey, coffee. Who is Akweli? Huh? Give me welcome.
What is that?
Who is Akweli? What is what?
Come on, you shouldn't have, throw the back, at me. What is that?
I shouldn't throw the back at you. Do you know how angry I am at you?
Did like seriously?
Let me talk. The last time you had a call here, and then I saw the same Akweli. The way you were talking, I told you, this person, the way you are talking to this person is it's so suspicious.
So what are you trying to
say? You denied it. Fine. The last time I saw a message from this same Akweli, you denied it. Only for me to hear something like this rumors around. No, what is it? I can't even talk because I'm angry. What?
They listen to me. They so like, are you saying I can't have enough rest in my own room? I can have my peace of mind or what? And then what you are doing is so disgusting. I'm so excited right now. I'm trying to ask something now. You just barge in my room and then because like me having my key, you are just here and accusing me of what I've not done and Akweli and who's Akweli and here and there. You know, like how?
Kofi,
you're like kid, okay?
You are exhausted.
Yeah, I'm tired, of course.
You can be.
Huh? They like it's obvious like your place. I'm putting some behavior that I don't like. Trust me. Even like all the problem this is not how to do it. At least you sit me down and talk about it. You just barging in like trying to bag the bag at me. What is that? Who does that? Huh? Who does that? It's very bad. Oh come on. Come on, I'm not gonna beat you. I'm not gonna beat you. It's too much. Come on.
Hey.
I'm tired of this, tomorrow that. What is that?
Hey. Kofi, you come and answer this question. You better come back here and come and explain to me what you are doing with this Akweli. Kofi, be serious in life. Be serious in life.
I have nothing to explain Akweli. Come on, see. Even mentioning Akweli again. Come on. Lady.
Kofi, you're calling me Akweli.
Now, listen, Lady. Do you know something? You know, sometimes issues like this, we don't...
Touching me. You are making me... I'm getting more angry. Kofi, I need explanation. That's why I came here. I need explanation.
Did so like how much or like how what are you going to say right now? You just tell me.
Who's happening to you?
Did listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Listen. I'm coming. I'm sorry, it's my phone rather. Yeah, hello? Yeah, sure. Alright, okay, so let's do it in a minute, okay? Now, I'm gonna call you myself, you don't worry. Alright. Okay, one. Oh god. So how's your old girl doing? How's she doing? Today?